Hi everyone, Joanne here with another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to resolve a common issue in Microsoft Excel when your horizontal and/or vertical scroll bars are missing. If you've accidentally turned them off, hidden them, or they've become disabled, this tutorial is for you. First, we need to go to the File tab in the top left corner of Excel and select Options. Then, choose the Advanced option on the left side and scroll down to the section labelled Display Options for this workbook. Underneath this section, you'll see two options: Show Horizontal Scroll Bar and Show Vertical Scroll Bar. To make the scroll bars visible again, simply checkmark both of these options and select OK to save the changes. Your scroll bars should reappear just like magic. And that's it. It's a pretty straightforward tutorial today, but I hope it helps you out if you've been struggling with missing scroll bars. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.